Hello everybody and welcome to Boss Box Breaks. I'm your breaker, Johnny Johnson. Here's a serial number, NE939-40116. I'm going to show you the date and time. It is 9:28 Central, Saturday, May 5th, 2012. And as promised, all my winners. Just gonna let her scroll down here. You guys can see where you are. Look at you, Kelly. Jeez. All over there, eh? As you can see at the bottom here, it ended May 5th, 2012, 8:39 and 49 seconds PM with Winnipeg and Rocky Horror. And yeah, we're gonna get on to the break pretty much here right off the hop. Make this video a quick one. Actually, I lied. Kelly, a Martin Brodeur rookie card. Yes, an actual Martin Brodeur rookie card, because he's still on the, he's good. You gotta admit that. And a jersey card, Milan Hajduk. Also, Marian Gaborik. It's one card. So that's going out to you, Kelly. Thank you very much for having 5 teams in Boss Box Breaks. Let's get at her, guys. Hopefully I can pull something great out of here for you. If you don't want your base card, just let me know in a message afterwards. Empty box. Empty box. Here's our packs. If you're wondering what all this nonsense is, you'll have to watch the second video to find out, because there's going to be bonus. Pack number 1. I'm just going to read out the names of the teams for the base, but the hits will get described and we'll go through them. From the back, Calgary. We've got a red parallel of James Van Riemsdyk for Philadelphia. Philadelphia is Sly 0399. Then we've got Blackhawks, Capitals, and for the Tampa Bay Lightning, a Steven Stamkos Lords of the Ring jersey card. And that isn't numbered, but Steven Stamkos, I mean, you can't go wrong, right? So there you go. That Tampa Bay card is going to go out to BJ Featherstone, so congratulations to you. Second pack. Got some good hits in the last break. Hopefully we can continue. Stamkos jersey is always a good hit. From the back, Minnesota. And then we got Buffalo, Detroit, and for Detroit, Thomas Tatar, scratching the surfaces, signature card. Thomas Tatar. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, but you can see. So congratulations goes out to Detroit, and Detroit is Kelly 2711. Good job. And we also got, for the Capitals, an Alex Ovechkin Ice Kings card, and that's going out for Washington and BJ Featherstone. There you go, card number 1. It's not parallel, I'm just letting you know that's card number 1. As mentioned before, stay tuned at the end of the break, and we will give you some bonus games going on here. We'll roll a 30-sided die. From the back, we got San Jose. And we've got a rookie for Lech Buma and Calgary. That's Bays 88. We've got Spacer. We've got Anaheim. We've got New Jersey, and an Anton Lander on-card auto rookie for the Edmonton Oilers. Edmonton goes out to Chris Rickmay. Anton Lander on-card auto rookie. So there you go. Good job for Edmonton and Chris Rickmay. Last pack. Remember, all the base cards get shipped. If you don't want them, just let me know. I'll refund you. $1.50 US. We've got Dallas. We've got a Mark Messier, and this is going to be a Vancouver card, a Mark Messier Immortals, I believe. And that's just a Legends card. That's a normal base, but they are nice. And that's for Vancouver and Sneaky Little Hobbitses. We've got Boston, Carolina, and I'm going to go slow here. We'll see what we got. All the King's Men. Wow, nice patch. Danny Briere, Philadelphia Flyers, triple color prime. Very, very nice. And Philadelphia goes out to Sly 0399. And that is numbered in the bottom corner, 21 of 25. So congratulations to Philadelphia on that nice jersey card. And I wanted to thank everybody again. Also stay tuned, I'm going to upload another video, a bonus video, where we're going to try and give away some cards for people who didn't get hits, and we'll give away some other cards just to everybody once again. So stay tuned, congratulations, and thanks for visiting Boss Box Breaks.